What if I told you that ancient wisdom could unlock the secret to deeper, more meaningful connections with women? In a world full of noise, real strength lies in calm, clarity, and intention. Today, on Primal Plus, we're diving into 3 timeless Stoic secrets that will help you connect, not just impress. This isn't about manipulation or mind games. It's about becoming a man of presence, purpose, and power. Let's begin. If you say this to a woman, it will be impossible for her not to be attracted to you. It doesn't matter if she's a difficult woman to conquer, or even if you haven't spoken to her yet, because if you use these 3 words, I assure you, it will be impossible for her not to feel attraction for you. If you want to attract any woman with words, subscribe to our channel and don't miss our videos. Something important we need to know is that the vast majority of men try to impress women with their physique or by buying all kinds of gifts, but above all, with the typical phrases like, let's do whatever you want or I'll do whatever you say, and let me tell you that achieves everything but attracting that woman, because what you're showing is insecurity, and this can cause a woman to lose interest much faster than you imagine. And here's the trick. These 3 words can completely change the dynamic and make all women feel attracted to you. These 3 magic words are you and I. I know you're probably thinking, what's so special about that? Well, believe me, when you use them in the right way, these words have a power you can't imagine, because it's a way of showing the other person that you know what you want, that you're committed to what you're saying, and that you're not afraid to take the initiative, and that's a quality that every woman values, even if you don't think. So these 3 simple words attract any woman for the simple fact that they show 4 fundamental pillars that every woman wants in a man: interest, respect, attraction, and initiative. So how do you use you and I in real life? Number 1, when starting a conversation, if you're meeting a girl or talking to someone you're interested in, instead of being too shy or too vague, say something like, you and I should grab a coffee. This not only shows that you have interest, but that you're also direct, which is very attractive. Women appreciate honesty and clarity. And the best thing is that there's no confusion about your intentions. Number 2, when asking her out, instead of saying something like, hey, if you want, we could see each other sometime, which sounds like total indecision, say something like, you and I are going to dinner this Friday. See the difference. Now, you're not just suggesting something, you're taking control of the situation that generates respect and attraction. You come across as a man who knows what he wants without waiting for approval. And now, let's look at number 3. But before, if you've made it this far, you're quite the Stoic, and that says a lot about you as a man. So let me know in the comments if you are or not. Not number 3, when the relationship is more advanced. If you're already in a relationship or dating someone, you can use you and I to make decisions or propose plans without beating around the bush, instead of saying, whatever you prefer is fine. Be clear and direct with something like, you and I are going to spend more time together this weekend. This shows that you not only value the time you spend with her, but that you're also taking the initiative in a positive way. Here's the trick. The key isn't just what you say, but how you say it. You and I has to sound natural and confident, not like a phrase you're forcing. The important thing is that by using it, you're not only showing yourself to be secure, but also committed to what you want. This is what will attract all the women you want. Those 3 words are simple, but with the right tone, they create an atmosphere of connection and security. These 3 words don't mean you're arrogant or selfish. It's not about making everything revolve around you or imposing what you want. What's really behind those words is a clear intention, but also a willingness to listen, compromise, and share experiences. The trick is to be firm in your desires, but always respectful of hers. You and I isn't just a statement. It's an invitation to action. It's saying you're clear about what you want. but you're also giving space for her to feel heard and valued so you can see how it works. My challenge for you is this: from now on, start using the phrase "you and I" on a regular basis. It doesn't matter if it's in small or big conversations. The important thing is that you start training that. Confidence: use "you" and "I" in at least 3 different situations throughout the day, whether it's with friends, with a woman you're interested in, or even at work. I promise you'll notice something very interesting. People will pay more attention to you, feel more attracted to you, and start to respect you more, because they'll see that you're a man who knows what he wants and communicates it clearly. We've reached the end of this video, but before you go, I want to make an important invitation. Don't just stick with the theory, take action and put what you've learned today into practice, because there's no point in knowing the secret if you don't apply it in your daily life. Write me in the comments how you're going to use "you." And this week, write me some example or situation where you think you can put it into practice. And at the end of the week, come back to tell me how it went. I'm sure you're going to see surprising results, and I'd love to read about your experiences with something as simple as 3 words. You can change how others see you, especially women. I'm sure you'll soon start to see surprising results. Remember, "you and I" isn't just a phrase, it's an attitude. Thank you for joining us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, good luck with your relationships. True connection isn't found through flashy words or shallow charm. It's built through character, stillness, and authenticity, just like the Stoics taught. If you found value in these principles, subscribe to Primal Plus for more insights rooted in ancient wisdom and modern strength. Remember, be still, be strong, be true. Until next time.